everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jeetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Prestige Southern Star by Prestige Group located on Bannerghatta Road in Akshayanagar, South Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So right now we are here on the actual site of the project and just behind me is the main entrance. Once you enter, the marketing office is just over here. And now about the land parcel. So let me show you the glimpse of the land parcel where the construction work is in progress. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So let's start with the project overview. And Prestige Southern Star is spread across 32.5 acre of land parcel consisting of 14 residential tower with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 27 floor, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies where only 3 BHKs are available for now. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located near Bannerghatta Road in Akshayanagar, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and just behind me they will be coming up with the main entrance of our project. Now let me show you the connectivity. So this road is the AB road connecting you towards Bannerghatta main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to Bannerghatta Road in 3.3 kilometers. Hosur Road is 3.8 kilometer away and D-Mart Bannerghatta is 4.8 kilometer from the project. Let's discuss about the amenities part, and Prestige Southern Star offer you luxurious world-class amenities. Like let me show you through this miniature. Here's the grand clubhouse of 70,000 square feet. A grand swimming pool with deck. You get a huge sports arena, amphitheater, kids play area and many more. Now about the super built up area. So Prestige Southern Star offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies where all the configuration are completely sold out. Only 3 BHK is available. 3 BHK sizes are starting from 1463 square feet and goes up to 1883 square feet super built up area. Discussing about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Prestige Southern Star by Prestige Group located in Akshayanagar, Bannerghatta, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.